while you are on this PC can't run Windows 11 screen. Go back to the Windows 11 selection screen, then press Shift plus F12. The command prompt will pop up. Type in REGEDIT and press Enter. The Registry Editor will open up. Unfold HKey_local_machine system. Right-click Setup, then select New Key. Name it LabConfig. Right-click LabConfig, and create a new DWORD, 32-bit. Set its name to BypassSecureBootCheck. Double-click it, and set its value to 1. Create another DWORD, name it BypassTPMCheck, and change its value to 1. Exit the Registry Editor and the command prompt. Click Next. Now you can continue the Windows 11 installation without SecureBoot and TPM 2.0. All done. Please subscribe.